Hi guys, how are you all? Ritisha, you want to change your name? Can I change your name? Yes. You changed it. Thank you. Shrestha, how are you, ma? Are you able to do the homework, Shrestha?
I didn't have time to do the homework this week.
This week, okay. A lot of school work.
Yeah.
Okay. What are you doing in school, ma? For Ashtrita, what are you doing in school? Samanvi, what are you doing in school?
School, we just started doing multi-step equations.
Nice. Is it easy?
Yeah.
Good. How about you, ma, Samanvi?
I'm just doing 7th grade math and
Oh, yeah. Sorry. I should not have asked you. Usually, I don't ask if that's the case. For some reason, I asked you. How about you, Vikyat? Wait, Vikyat is not here.
Sorry, I am here.
Oh, you're here. Okay. What are you doing in school?
Um, I'm learning about similar figures.
Similar. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. You're Vikyat. I don't know why I asked you. Okay. Let's see. Ritisha, what are you doing in school?
we're learning about like equations and stuff.
You're learning about equations and stuff, multivariable equations. Okay.
Yeah, multivariable equations
Stuff. Okay.
and
Okay.
how to solve them.
Huh? Guru has not submitted. Avyuk, did you submit your homework?
Yeah.
Okay. Prisha, how was the homework? What are you doing in school?
We just had our unit 1 test yesterday. I had it yesterday.
How was it?
It was pretty easy compared to the homework we do in this class. So it wasn't that bad. Yeah. That was helpful because it was like harder here, so it was easy at school.
Okay, good to know.
Yeah.
Yeah, Arshit is joining. Bharat is joining. Okay. So, Samanvi is good. Prisha is good. Harshad, what happened to that question, Harshad? You had a question, right, Harshad? Guys, are you all checking with the key? Do you need more keys? All that stuff I need to know, guys.
Miss Priya, for me, I'm doing all the work, but it's confusing. How do I check the answers?
Okay, there is module 1 to 3 answers provided as material in Google Classroom, right?
Yeah, like I tried like clicking on all of them. It said access, so like I requested for access, but I don't know which one's which module.
Yeah, you can request for all modules, right?
Oh, okay.
You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. Coming to solving multivariable equations, yes, I want to revise that, but at the same time, I want to get into graphing lines. Let me go to multivariable equations. I want you to be able to solve any type of equations. How do we do that? Let's see. Okay, let's first review this. We have done this already, so I'm not very bothered, but at the same time, I don't know how many of you remember us doing it. So I will review the multivariable equations a little bit, but I will be continuing from 5.2 as well. Till 5.1, you did it as homework. So in the book, I'll be continuing. Jay, what are they doing in school?
We're working on a project about arithmetic sequences and geometric sequences.
I see. Okay. Is that easy? Is that easy? Okay, how about this? X by, okay, how about this? If you are given 2x by, okay, let's see this one.
Auntie, can I ask a few questions about homework?
Yes, right now. Good.
Okay.
I'm glad you're asking. Hey, Harshit, what happened to that one question I asked you? No reply from you.
Which question, Auntie?
You had a question on that Joe's, Daniel, all this stuff, right?
Yeah.
Did you get that clarified?
Yeah.
What happened to that?
So like
How did you teach it?
I went to Miss Kessler. I went in and then I was looking at it and then I understood why I did it wrong.
Why you did
Because
it wrong? But that answer was none was correct, right? Was that an answer for you?
no, there was an answer. One of them said the relationships were similar because they were proportional.
No.
I mean, not because the sides were similar or something like that.
No, the sides were not similar. I did verify.
Auntie, the sides were proportional, Auntie.
No, the sides were not proportional.
Because the figure was flipped.
Even when the figure is flipped, they were not proportional. Can I bring up that screen?
Yes, Auntie, you can.
I
Absolutely.
really want everybody to see that question as well. Let me see. Wait. It was not proportional. Okay, I verified it multiple times. I felt, let's see, maybe I'm wrong. Let's see. I don't know. I finished my homework. Kavin, thank you for the message. Okay. You finished your homework. Okay. It's not Google file. So, you know what? If your Google Drive is full, you cannot submit it. If your Google Drive is full, it also produces a problem. Does that make sense?
Okay. Alright.
Okay. Can you check Kavin on that?
Yeah, I will after class.
Okay, now let's go ahead with this one. This was a question posted. I'm going to work on only 12th question here. Okay, shall we do just the 12th question? Roshita, I'm not able to see you on the video. Joe's thinks the shapes below are not similar because their side lengths are not congruent. Daniel thinks the shapes below are similar because their sides are proportional. Harshit, can you tell me how they are proportional?
Well, Auntie, so first the figure was flipped like this from horizontal to vertical. So 33 and 5.5 match, 18 and 3 match.
Oh, this is 5.5, yeah?
Yeah.
I thought it was 55. Okay.
Okay.
And
So 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. 33 divided by 6 is equal to 5.5.
see, I took this as 55. So I was telling they don't match. 18 divided by, is this 5.5 or 55?
5.5, Auntie.
See, that's the deal. I did not, I took it as 55. That's why I had typed it to you as well. Did you see 18 by 55 is not equivalent to I had written, but if it is 5.5, yeah, I need this. 5.5 will be equal to 33 by 3. Is it 11? No. I need to check this
And
one.
add 18 by 5.5, Auntie. It's 18 by 18 by 3 because
3.
the figure was flipped. It was like this and then become
35.
vertical.
Let me check. Come on, wait. This is 6, right?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
It's 6, no, 18 and 6, 33 and 5.5. Those are the two.
18 and
6.
6. Where is 6, ma? 18
I mean
and
3, sorry, 3.
33 and 5.5.
Mm-hmm.
That, correct. That's good. They are similar. Good job. That's right. Okay, I took it as 55. That's great. Okay, now let's move on. So you're good?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but I had some questions about the homework.
Where is the homework? Let's see. Who all had questions? Let's see. We'll do one by one. I'm going to go ahead and share the homework with you guys. Huh? Okay, we'll do that. Homework. Why homework will not able to find. 1 minute, guys. Did anyone have questions on the homework other than Harshad? Did you all have questions on the homework? What is the question number? Question number, page number you have to say, Harshad.
1 second, Auntie. Page number 200, question number 8.
Page number 200, question number 8. 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 200, Why are the points in the graph of 2B connected? Okay. Okay. Now, so I am renting a booth. I'm renting a booth in a mall. Okay. Now I pay $1, okay, for each hour of operation. I pay $1 an hour for each hour of operation. I pay $1. Meaning I have a booth, okay, in a mall. I have a booth in a mall. It's my store, okay. I pay as a rent, okay, as rent. I pay $1 per hour of operation. Okay. Now, the amount that I pay, right, is given as this. X is the number of hours. This is the number of hours booth is open. This is the money that I pay. Now, when I graph this, what happens? Let's put up a table. Input, output values. This is my input. X is my input. This is my output value. Suppose if I keep the booth open for 0 hours, I end up paying 0 money, right?
Yes,
X
ma'am.
is what? Number of hours, right? So one of you, who can say? Ritisha, do you want to tell me? So here 1, 1, 2, 2. What type of a figure will it be in the graph? If I graph this. What type of a figure will it be?
A line.
A line, good job. So basically 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Here, when I draw the graph, it's connected. What does it mean?
That means it's continuous, auntie, but it's discrete.
It is not this.
Wouldn't it have to be discrete? Because even though you can have, like, even though ours is continuous, you can't, you're not paying $1.5, you're paying only $1 for each time. So wouldn't it have to be discrete as the dollars have to match up with the time?
And
Because
auntie,
both of them.
and auntie, one more thing. So you're paying $1 for each hour of the operation. So you're paying the $1 after the entire time. You're not paying like for example, you're not paying like some amount of cents per minute. You're just paying the entire $1 after.
No.
Priya, is this prorated?
Yeah. See, that's not clear in the question, but however, guys, the X value, right, the number of hours need not be 1, 2, 3. It need not be 1, 2, 3. It can be 1.5. She keeps her booth for 1.5 hours open, right? Then the money she'll pay is $1.50 only, right? Meaning, because the function is given by the dollar she pays equal to the number of hours she keeps it open. Meaning, it is not like with respect to the time, right? It can be 1 hour, 2, right? It can be the time value can be anything between 1 and 2. It can be anything between 2 and 3, right? So in this scenario, I prefer connecting all the points, because if she's going to have her booth 1.5 hours open, right? She is going to pay. See, this function says she's going to pay $1.5. Nobody said that she's going to pay $2 or $3. Only when the hour finishes, she's going to pay. It's not given like that, right? And valid values for hours are 1.5. It's not an invalid value. Suppose if it is like, let's say, for every balls she sells, okay, X will be the number of balls she sells. Number of balls she sells. Okay, this is the money she earns. In that case, I can expect a discrete graph, because she cannot sell 1.5 balls. You get it? But here, X is the number of hours the booth is open. So it can be 1.5. The time value can be 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.78. It can be anything, right? So then, Varad, I want the video to be on. That is why this is a continuous graph.
Okay, auntie. And then my second question is page 180, question number 12.
Page number 180, question number 12. What is your question on that?
I don't think enough values are included to solve the question.
I have indicated that the solution is incorrect in the book for that question. I don't know. I have notes telling that it's incorrect. I don't know. I will check. Meaning my notes say that, hey, the solution here is incorrect. Let's see. 1 minute, let's see. But that is so good job asking that. Let's see.
Yeah, I had the same question. There was not enough information.
Was that the same question?
Yeah, I was waiting for feedback.
For me, and it says Carrie borrows money interest free to pay for a car repair. She will repay $120 monthly until the loan is paid off. How many months will it take Carrie to pay off the loan? Explain.
Harshad, let me go ahead and write it out for the others to do. How about this? Go ahead, and I really want you to write the function for this one, guys. How about this?
Information.
Let me know, how do you form a function for this? One second, guys. There is my problem with this question is 1 second. They pay 120 until the loan is paid off. So how many months? Okay, let me go ahead. Okay, the 120 until his loan of amount. Let me rewrite this. Harshad, is the question fully given?
No, auntie. That's why that's the reason I said that they don't give enough information to complete the question.
We put it out for you with the enough information. All of you, please come up with a function.
Auntie?
Yeah, ma.
So when in the question it says she'll repay $120 monthly, but like it doesn't tell us like where's the stopping point. So like we don't know how much like doesn't.
That's why I'm reframing the question, Shrishta.
Oh, okay.
Car repair, she'll repay 120 monthly until the loan. How many months will it take carry? One second, guys. 1 second, guys. I'm going to change this a little bit. This is incorrect. How about this? You're going to come up with a function for this one. Write out the function for this, assuming x will be equal to, what should I assume x to be, Ashrita, here? Rushita, what will be my y?
Your Y would be the money and the X would be the months.
X would be the number of months. Okay, Ritisha, what is your question?
So in the question, is it like her loan is $960 or 9,606? Because there's another 6 at the end.
Where, ma? There's another 6 at the end.
Yeah.
No, Ritisha, I didn't get you. Carrie pays $120 monthly.
It's in is. She thinks the is a 6.
Sorry. Thanks, Arshit. Is paid off. How many
Oh,
it take?
sorry.
No problem. To pay off the loan. I want the function equation and then X value, number of months when it will be paid off. Let's see how many of you come up. Did you get it? 960, ma. I'm sorry, Samanvi, for my illegible handwriting. Dhruv, he has to start with an amount, right?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Okay. Why is the amount? Oh, okay. Okay. Dhruv. Okay. I said the amount paid off, right? Amount, if I say amount pending, why it describes the amount pending? Sorry, Dhruv, to change that.
Okay.
I'm saying why is the amount that's pending?
Okay.
Change that. Correct, ma'am. என்ன இல்லையே, என்ன இது பண்றோம்? இது பாரு, Dhruv. Vikyat, good job. Is it 120 or 20, ma?
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
20. Good job. Johan, you didn't do your homework, Johan? Johan, correct. Rushita, correct.
Oh, I'm sorry. I just forgot to like turn it in like into the thing.
Easy for you?
Huh? This?
Yeah, this one and the homework. From homework only, I'm trying to.
Yeah, most of it was pretty easy.
Okay, Arshita, I'll help you. See, Harshit, it is missing information. Agreed, Amma. The Prisha also had the same doubt, Harshit. Why, Prisha, it is n minus 1?
Would it be like in the first? Wait, so does that mean the first month you start paying off, or do you start paying it off the month after that?
Yeah, so, okay, he has a bill for $960, and the first month he would have paid $120, right? I did not say that he's starting to pay from the second month, right?
Oh, okay.
See,
Yeah, I get where I messed up. Do you want me to resend it?
120x would get 120. This should become, this is my f of x, right?
Okay.
When will f of x become 0? Amount pending has to become 0, correct, ma?
Yeah, I got it. I thought because it would be like you start paying the bill after like 1 month. But yeah, I get it. I get what you're saying.
Auntie, didn't you just say for us to write the function?
Yeah, yes, right. There is a part for the function and the x value.
Oh, and Excel.
Youth, did you understand the mistake of youth?
Yeah.
Okay, now Kavin, it depends. Kavin, first I said amount paid off, right? After that,
Yeah.
I said amount pending, right?
Oh, okay. I see it.
The amount pending means you have to go with, if that is your function value, then the graph will go on reducing from 960. You got it?
Yeah, okay.
If it is amount paid off, it will be a graph like this. It will go on increasing, correct?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see now.
Any other, the Bharat, did you get it? Ashwath, did you understand how we got this? Ashwath had a question, right, Amma? Did you get it? Jay, I did not get your answer as well. I'm a little concerned.
I gave you my answer, but then it was incorrect. I saw what mistake I did.
Okay, so you will have to subtract 120, 120, 120. How many 120s will be equal to the number of excess, number of months? Does it make sense?
Yeah, I forgot to include that part.
Vikyat, I didn't get yours. Why?
I did send you mine.
Oh, you sent. I didn't. Okay, Nidhi.
And I accidentally put 20 instead of 120.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. Ma. Nidhi, did you send?
I was about to, but then you started explaining it.
Okay, but do you have the answers with you?
Yes.
Okay, that's good to know. How about this, Ma? Will you be able to solve this? I'm going to go to multi-step equations. Whatever equations I give you, you should be able to solve. That is my thought about this. First, let me give you this. Second, I'm going to make it harder. Quick, guys, you're going to send the answer by solving X. Harshad, did you have any other questions?
No, Auntie. None.
Okay, go ahead. I am waiting for your answers. Let me know if you're stuck. Those of you who are done, you can do the second problem. That's a little tricky. Okay. I just. Avyuk, that doesn't seem right to me. Bharat, that's right. Harshat, that's right. Kavin, that's right. Ritisha, that is correct. Johan, Sreshta, that is correct. Johan, that is correct. Ashwat, that is incorrect. Prisha, that is incorrect, ma. Prisha. Duru, correct, ma.
For the first one or the second one?
Yeah, but
For the
I need some answers as well. Nidhi, I need your answer. Vikyat.
Priya, I sent my answer earlier.
Nidhi, you sent it? Okay. Rushita. Okay, Jay, I'm waiting for your answer.
Are my answers right?
Second one, Rushita, that is incorrect, ma.
Oh,
Did I get my first one right?
Vikyat, huh? Vikyat, I'm checking Vikyat. Hold on, I don't remember.
Okay.
Vikyat, first one is correct.
Okay.
Vikyat, first one is correct. What was the mistake? Did you realize your mistake? Johan, second one seems incorrect. Oh, everybody is getting. Oh, really?
Miss Priya, what about my answer?
Wait, ma, 1 minute, I'm checking the second one. 3x. 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. Really not understanding. The second one, I think I need to do. Vidya, I don't know. The second one, 30, some of you are getting 32 by 3, some of you are getting 44. I don't know. Jay, the first one is correct. For the second one, guys, don't worry about your fractions, okay? If you have fractions, you have to remove the fractions. That should be your target. Okay, now this is a term. All separated by pluses and minuses are terms. Now, one thing what I can do is, if you find this easy, follow this. One thing is, I can make the denominator the same first. That is one way. So I can multiply by 2, I can multiply by 2, denominator becomes the same. So I can rewrite this equation as x minus 2 plus divide by 6 equal to 5. So x 3x minus 2 divide by 6 equal to 5, multiply by 6 on both sides. 3x minus 2 will be equal to 30. 3x minus 2 divide by 6, correct, will be equal to, correct, divide by 6 will be equal to 5. 3x minus 2 will be equal to 30. 3x will be equal to 32. I am getting 32 by 3, guys. I don't know how you guys got 44. I'm getting 32 by 3. Some of you got it. Good job. But some of you did not. Prisha, how did you get that?
I subtracted 2. I forgot to add it. I wrote it down wrong.
Avyuk, first one is confusing, Avyuk.
Yeah.
Only good work, ma. Arush, Arush, I didn't get your second answer is incorrect, ma.
My second answer is incorrect.
Yeah. Avyuk, for this one, you add 4 to both sides. 3x by 2 will be equal to 9, right? How to remove this fractional denominator? Multiply by 2, multiply by 2. X.
Oh, okay. I multiplied first. Makes sense.
What did you multiply first?
I did 3x divided by 2 times 2. I did times 2 on both sides.
Yeah,
I think I must have made a mistake on that.
yeah, but we have to, meaning this one should be very strong. Algebra, that is the main reason we are studying algebra, right? So I definitely expect each of you to be very strong with this. Let me see this one. How about this, guys? Any equation when I give you, you should be able to. I'm not going to spend much time, but I really want you to be able to. Did you all get the answer for that one?
Miss Miss Priya, I had a question.
Yes, I'm here.
So, like on the bottom, like the denominators 4 and 6, can you, since they're like terms, can you combine them?
Uh, yes, you can combine them, but they are fractions. If they're fractions, fractions require that the denominators are the same for them to be combined, right?
Oh,
What do you
okay.
think about it? First, bring your denominator to the same number. What is the least the 4 and 6? Does it sound good?
Okay.
What is the least common multiple of 4 and 6?
Oh, sorry.
Tell me, what is the least common multiple of 4 and 6?
12.
12. So here, for me to make it 12, I'll multiply by 3 in numerator. And it's like giving a candy to you and your brother, the fraction. Similarly, times 2. You have to bring it to 12 times 2. Now rewrite this. 3x by 12 plus 2x by 12. Now the denominators are the same, then they are like terms. Both of them have x and they like each other. So it is 5x by 12, correct? That will be equal to 5. Now what to do?
I get it now. I get it now.
5 by 12 on both sides, 12 times 5. Now divide by 5 on both sides, 5 and 5 will get cancelled, x equal to 12. I'm going to give you more questions. This multi-step equation is what should come out of algebra. You see, it should be wonderful. Okay. To that level, we need to understand any equation given, you should be able to do. Okay. Let's find out this one. Easy one or harder one? Let's see. I want to give you, okay, let's see this one. X plus 1 by 4 equal to 5. This is an easy one. X plus 1 by 4 equal to 5. Come on, guys. It's an easy one, right? However you're given, you should be able to solve in my class. At least to that level, we need to practice this equations because that's the outcome of algebra 1. Did you get it? What will you do? Arush, you tell me the first step here. What happens? What should I do? What should I do? What is the first step in here?
Subtract one on both.
Why would
Subtract one on both sides on the top. So you can get x on itself and then times 4 and then
Arush,
I'm confused.
subtract 1, it's like pulling an arm out of the person. You subtract 1 from this person, it's like pulling his arm out. Can you pull his arm out like that? What should you do? This is a whole person existing. So you cannot pull an arm out like that. So what is the first step? You tell me, you think and tell me. The 1 is not by itself. Is it like this? Then you can subtract 1. If there are two different terms, you can subtract the 1. Yeah, I know your hand is raised, but I'm not going to ask you. I know that you know. Didi, what will we do?
Like multiply by 4 on both sides.
Yes, multiply by 4. Move the denominator. Goes off. Now it's 3. You see? Now you subtract that one. Make sense? Make sense? Okay. So there are some operation order that you need to be very aware of. Okay. You cannot do whatever you want with the numbers. You have to be very, very fair with them as well. Okay. Now let's see this one. It's a hard one. Quick, guys. Distributive property. What is this distributive property? What is this distributive property? You have to distribute the 3 to the x and then 3 should be multiplied with a minus 2. Go ahead. Do you need my help? Who needs help? Immediately you have to say in chat. You cannot sit quiet there for me. Kavin, did you change your answer, Kavin? Why did you change your answer, Kavin?
I didn't change my answer. This is the first answer I put for this equation.
I see. You will have to distribute the 3, right? Did you distribute the 3?
Yeah, I did.
Dhruv, that's correct. Prisha, is it 13?
Yeah, I just checked it and I think it's wrong. I'm gonna resolve it.
Rushita has 19. Avyukt has 19. Bharat has a 5. I don't know, guys. Can I go ahead and solve?
Miss Priya, I got 13 too.
Miss Priya, that 19 was my before answer. That's not this question's.
Auntie, did you check my answer?
I'm going to solve it on the board because each of you have different answers, right?
Because
Miss
I
Priya,
got
Rushita said her answer was the one from the last question.
3x minus 6 plus 7. Guys, first I distribute it, okay? And look at the like terms. This and this are like terms. The two numbers are like terms. Always the sign before the number belongs to the number. So, J, if I combine these two, what would happen?
You would get a +1.
Up. Now, I will write that plus 1, but let me combine this. Plus 3x, there is no sign in front. I'll take it as plus 3x minus x by 2 will be equal to 27 by 2. Now, Jay, can you educate me how to deal with this? Both are like terms, but I cannot combine them because one is a fraction, the other has 3 by 1. So what should I do, Jay?
This is the part I got confused on, Miss Priya.
You tell me, meaning, when can I combine the fractions?
When they're like terms.
When they're like terms, but you cannot combine 1 and 2 and 1 by 4.
Yeah.
What do you do?
Just put a 1 there then.
You have to make what the common?
But they're like 3x by 1 minus x by 2.
Yeah, but I can't combine them, right? Fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, can they be combined? Can you
No.
combine 1 by 4? What do you do?
Uh,
What do you do to make them together?
Multiply 3x by 1 by 2.
Multiply.
3x by 1 times 2.
So we'll do one thing. This section, right, should have the denominator as 2. So, but there is a 1 here. What can I do?
multiply that by 2.
By 2 when I multiply. See, when I multiply by 2 in the denominator, you have to multiply by 2 in the numerator. It's like giving a candy to both you and your sister. If that doesn't happen, one of you will get angry. So we should not make them angry. So
Oh, I thought multiplying it by 2 would cancel it out.
no. So
Oh,
here
okay.
plus this will be 6x by 2 minus x by 2. Now do you see the denominators are the same and they are like terms? We can combine them. Meaning you can put the same denominator and write out 6x minus x as 5x. Jay, did you get that?
Miss Priya,
Yama?
I have a question, but in our school they taught us like since we have negative x over 2, can't you take the 2 and multiply it to the other side?
That is fine, mother. It's the same thing as that.
Oh,
Same.
because if we did it, I got x equals 13.
We'll see. I don't know what answer I'm going
Oh,
to.
okay.
I don't know what answer I'm going to get, but I can see what answer I'll be getting. Is that okay? Now what happens? I can subtract 1 on both sides. Again, this is a fraction. Do you see fraction operation? This one will get cancelled. 5x by 2 will be equal to, see here again 1 by 1, right? My denominator should be the same, right? 1 by 1 means 1 has to be multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2. So 27 minus 2 by 2. What is it? 25 by 2. 5x by 2 will be equal to 25 by 2. Multiply by 2 on both sides, you get 5x equal to 25, x equal to 5. Did you guys get it?
I was like kind of close, but
Yeah.
also like super duper off. I got 6.5.
That's okay. See, if you don't make mistakes, then you don't belong to this class as well, right, Tritisha? So, how many of you understood this? I'm going to do more of this. Can we try?
So whatever we do on the bottom, we do on the top too, right?
Exactly. Yeah. See,
Okay, because I got 13 doing.
you have it like this, right? You cannot combine them. I know these two are like terms, but the denominators are not the same. How can you make the denominators the same? This one needs a multiplication with the 2. Do the same thing here. It becomes 6x.
Okay.
Now, it has 6x by 2 minus x by 2. How can you combine these two? They can have the same denominator, but 6x minus 5x will be 5x. Make sense?
Auntie, I did it differently though.
That's fine. As long as you get the answer, I'm fine. Avyukt. Arush, correct. Samanvi, did you get the answer? Samanvi didn't get it. Samanvi, did you understand the mistake?
Yes.
Ashwat, did you get the required help you asked?
Yeah.
Okay. Rushita, did you understand the mistake, Rushita?
Yeah, I understand now.
Okay, now I want more problems like this. Any problem given to you, you should be able to solve. That is my intent for your algebra 1. Okay, how about this? I want to make it little complicated, but at the same time, you should not run away from the class as well, right? I don't know. Let's see. How about this one? This one. Is it possible for you to try this one? I don't want you to get frustrated, but at the same time, you should be able to solve better. How about this? I don't know what you'll do. Let's see. It's okay to get confused. Okay. I will do this problem, guys. Please, I will do this problem. The next one you can do. Okay. So if you're given this, right, there is clearly a parenthesis. Let me solve it separately. 3 minus x minus 4 by 5. There is a parenthesis. So I need to combine. I know that they are not like terms, but somehow, first of all, these two, how can I combine? This is having a 1 denominator. This is having a 5 denominator. What should I do? I can multiply by 5, multiply by 5. So that would be 15 by 5 minus, see here there is a x minus 4. Please don't forget it. Now I can combine them and write together. Yes, but the minus is applicable to both. That is the most important thing here. 15 minus, see, when you apply this minus to both, they will get negated. 15 minus x plus 4, because this is like multiplying minus 1 with x is minus x, minus 1 with minus 4 becomes plus 4. So this becomes 19 minus x minus 4. 19 minus x. I'm combining these two. Divide by 5. Does that make sense? Are we clear with this operation? Are we clear with this, Jay?
Yeah.
So when I carry that out here, again, see this minus. Minus in front of a bracket is to confuse you. Okay, but I need to be careful, right? How do I combine this? Who can help me now? Samanvi, do you want to try?
What did you say?
Do you want to help me do this?
Okay.
What do
I can't hear you. It's not working for some reason. Can I log
Yes.
out, join back?
Somebody else? Johan, do you want to help me?
Sure.
Yeah, go ahead.
First, I would make the denominator common by
Uh-huh.
multiplying by 5 to the 1 and 2.
Uh-huh.
And I'll get 10 over 5.
Those of you who got it, you can send in the answers, okay? 10 over 5.
Minus 19 negative 6 x and over 5. Yeah.
So now how can I combine? See, this minus in front of a big term is always confusing. I'll have to apply the minus to both, right? So what happens?
It would become negative 19 plus x.
Exactly, that is what is so important. Now that becomes minus 9 plus x by 5. This side what happens? Harshad, can you help me combine that one? Harshad, are you going to help me combine that one? You want
Oh
to
yeah. Sorry, I was muted. So first you multiply 5 multiplied by 3 and then 23 multiplied by 3. So 23 multiplied by 3 is 69. So 69 divided by 15 subtracted by, but then you multiply 3 by 5. So then 5x divided by 15. Then so then you can just write 16 equal to 69 minus 5x divided by 15.
But how to? Now what do I do? Who can tell me what to do? It's so messy an equation. I want Vikyat to say. Vikyat, what do I do here? Kavin, what do I do here? Kavin, what do I do here?
I'm a little bit stuck also.
You're a little stuck. Somehow I had to take off the fraction. Yes, Avyuk, what do you do here?
Is it fine if we can make minus 9 plus x over 5 to a 15 by doing 3?
Okay, wait. You don't have to make both 15. You want to make both 15? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's make both 15. Then in that case, everything here should be multiplied by 3. This becomes a 15. Now what happens, Avyuk?
Then it turns into minus 27 plus 3x.
First I want to take off the denominator, right? You multiply this side by 15, that side by 15. The 15 will go. You got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Minus 27 plus 3x will be equal to 69 minus 5x. How to solve this, Avyukt?
We can do minus. Okay, yeah, we can add them.
Yeah, you get 8x minus 27 equal to 69. What do you do now?
And then you add 27 to both sides.
So what will happen to that? 8x equal to 96, x will be equal to 12. Any questions, guys? So always be fair to the numbers. You will never make mistakes with solving multi-step equations. There's no way you can commit an error if you are always fair to the number. Can I give you one more? Let's see where we go. How about this? Do you think you can solve this? I don't know. 1 minute, guys. I don't want to make it hard, but I really want you to be able to solve anything given. Let's see. Okay. How about this one? See, there are some equations where you won't have a solution as well. Can we try one of those? Let's see. How about this? Okay, let's see this one. Meaning, I'm going to solve this again, guys. You're not going to solve, okay? I really want you guys to have a good hang on and then do. How about this? 3 times. Okay, what I'm going to do, one by one, if I am able to call out. Dhruv, can you help me with the first step?
Yeah, so basically
You would have to multiply 3 times x and 3 times -4.
Then how do I do the next one?
Then after that, you multiply 1/2 times x and 1/2 times 2. So it would be like 1/2 x
Mhm.
plus 1.
What is -1/2 times 2?
Oh, -1/2 is -1.
Good job. And then plus 5 equal to 43/2. Now what to do? Can you tell me, Nidhi?
Okay.
What can I do, Ma? What do you think can be done? All like terms should be combined, right? What should I do? Rushita, you're keeping too quiet. You can help us with Nidhi?
You can add -1 and 5.
Yeah, I can add -1 and 5. That's a good thought. So what it will be, Ma? I will rewrite the others. What it
It'll
will
be 4.
be 4. Nice. Okay. Rushita, you want to help me now? What to do? Such a messy equation. What to do now?
You can combine -12 and +4.
Nice. -12 and +4 will be what?
-8.
Okay, so I will rewrite this 3x. I will rewrite this. Always the sign before belongs to the number -x/2 and then -8 will be 43/2. Now, what do you think, Jay or Vikyat? What do you think I should do? Jay or Vikyat? Quick, guys, I really want to go to y-intercepts.
Wait, Miss Priya, is x by 2 basically a 1/2x?
Correct. So what should I do?
You can minus those two.
Yeah. What will I do? The next step is what?
3x minus 1/2x.
3x?
Minus 1/2x, x by 2x, x by 2.
Yeah. What should I do with that? I'm asking.
You get 1/2x.
Are you combining these two?
No, because you said x by 2 was basically 1/2x, so if you get that would be 1/2x.
How? First of all, this has a denominator of 1. How can you combine them? What should you do? Any fraction? What
Half.
do you do with the fraction? How can you combine them? Tell me, what should you do to combine them?
Find the least common denominator.
Yeah. So what should you multiply this with? Vikyat, you're keeping too quiet. What should happen here? I asked you, there is no answer from you.
I was if you asked me something, I was in the bathroom for a period of time.
Oh, you no. After that, I asked you after you came in. So here, what should I do to combine these two?
You would have to. You're talking about 3x by 1 and negative x by 2.
By 2. What do I do with this?
Miss Priya,
Yeah,
I know. Can I say it?
go ahead.
Do you times the bottom and top by 2?
Exactly. I want to make this 1 or 2. So multiply by 2 in both. That's it. This becomes 6x by 2 minus x by 2. Now combine, Vikyat. Can you combine both and tell me what is the answer?
You would have to do you would have to add the 2's together.
No, fraction. How will you add them? It's just fraction addition, right? In fraction, when you add, you write down the denominator as common, right? So what should
Yeah. What? You cut out what?
Fraction addition, you cannot add the denominators, right?
Yeah, you can. So you would have to add the numerators together.
What is it?
It's
What is 6x minus x?
6x minus x is 6. Wait.
What is 6 Vikyat minus 1 Vikyat?
6 minus 1 is 5.
5x divided by 2. Then what is the next step, Vikyat?
Yeah, you would have to do minus 8.
Minus 8? I have a minus 8 here. What should I do? You should do the opposite, right?
I have to add 8 to both sides.
So what happens when you add 8? 43 by 2 plus 8 is what, Jay? 43 by 2 plus 8 is what? Jay, that's a question for you. 43 by 2 plus 8 is what? Again, it's a fraction. So what do you do?
Miss Priya, you cut out. What did you say? I accidentally opened
What
that.
should I do on the right side?
You times 1 by 2.
Times 1 by 2 where?
With on the right side, you times 1 by 2, and then you
Times
get
2.
times 2 and 8 for 8, and then you get 16 by 2.
So what happens? Yes. What happens
And then
then?
you add 43 plus 16 by 2.
59 by
2.
2. Good job. Now multiply by 2 on both sides. So 5x equal to 59. X is 59 by 5. Any questions, guys? That was a difficult one. I'm going to give you a difficult one now to solve for yourself. Okay. Slowly, if you do follow rules, then it should not be a problem at all. Okay. Now, let me see how many of you are able to solve this. With this, I'm going to go to eccentricities. Please, guys, I really want you to solve it correctly. If you're stuck, please message me. I don't have a problem in going over again.
We can just leave it as 59 over 2, right? You don't have to simplify it any further. Huh?
Is that my sorry, ma?
I said you can just leave it at 59 over 5, right? Or 5 over.
Yes.
Yeah, you don't have to simplify it anymore.
They're not simplifiable, so it's okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. Good question, though. Can I expect answers from each of you on this? Done, guys?
Yeah.
Can help you. I can help you. If you're stuck, please feel free to tell me. Does not matter if you don't know. My only target is you should know by the end of the class.
Wait, Miss Priya, I think I got it.
Good, ma. So now I'm checking your answers.
Miss Priya, I'm kind of stuck.
No, this. Avyukt, there's a minor mistake, Avyukt. Johan, that seems incorrect. Duru, that seems incorrect. Ashwath, you have to solve. You cannot say I don't know. Vikyat, I want you to solve this, Vikyat, surely, after coming back.
Auntie, I didn't send my answer.
Oh, Serima, then it might have been the previous problem. I'm sorry. Oh, you got.
You want me to solve it? I'm still working on it.
Yeah. Come back and solve. No problem at all. I'll wait for you. Harshat, I'm checking your answer. Harshat, did you send Harshat?
Yes, auntie.
Okay, ma. 1 minute.
Should I resend?
No, that doesn't seem right, Harshat. Yeah, I'm going to end here. Okay, we'll do X intercepts later. Ashita, I didn't see the time. You know what? Left to me, I'll be going on talking about algebra. I feel I honestly did not see the time.
Sorry, it's just that like I was gonna like I need to go. That's why.
Serious of the time in classes that I really like. Correct. I forgot.
Miss Priya, is my answer right?
Shrestha, I'm checking, ma. That doesn't seem right.
Oh, I'm Ashita.
No, I know, but I saw Shrestha's answer. Okay, I can find you really directly. That is why I have your videos on and I know who's talking. No problem at all, Ashrita. Vikyat, that seems. Vikyat, your denominator alone seems incorrect, Vikyat. But I'm happy you're able to solve till there.
Mine
Wait, no. I think what I did wrong is that when it says x minus 5 over 3 in the equation, I actually wrote it as x minus 5 over 3. I didn't put the x minus in the equation. I have to read it.
Miss Priya, is my answer correct or is it no?
Correct. Shrestha, and I don't think your answer is right, ma. But you know what? There is an intermediate step you have written, right? That I don't know whether it's correct. Let's see. So here, guys, Jay, you're going to tell me, Jay or Nidhi, what should I do now? Jay or Nidhi, can you help me do? Samanvi, is your audio okay now?
Well, I made the denominators equal.
How? What did you do?
Well, I multiplied the 2 by 3 and the 3 by 2 to get 6.
It's a big one. Okay. And then here you multiplied by 2, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, now how should I rewrite? Tell me, ma. 4 minus what will happen?
9x minus 3
Divided by 6
6 plus
10 by 2.
Yeah, I was reading it from my paper.
Yeah. Thank you, ma. No problem. Go ahead. Next step, what can I do? I have to combine these two, right? Oh my God. See, there is a negative waiting to pounce on both. That negative pounces on both. So what happens now? 4. What happens? Minus 9x plus 3 plus 2x minus 10 divide by 6 equal to minus 5 by 6, right? Now I can combine the like terms, right? When I combine the like terms, it becomes minus 7x minus 7.
Wouldn't it be minus 3?
What, ma?
Wouldn't it be minus 3 and not plus 3?
Where, ma?
X to 9x. Negative.
See, this minus should carry inside, right? Minus 3x plus 3, right?
Oh, okay. I didn't know you did that yet. Okay.
See,
So
I'm
you-
glad you're asking, yes.
So you do the negative before you combine them?
See, you can.
No, I mean like what I did was I did like 9x over 9x minus 3 over 6 and then 2x minus 10. And then I simplified those and then like I combined it into negative 13x, right? Or no, 11x. And I think that's where I messed up.
Oh, I see. See, that's why don't leave the sign before, I feel.
Okay, yeah, I get what you're so you would say use the sign and then
Yeah, otherwise, if you're so confused, right, what you can do, just negate the signs. Just put a plus in here and put 3 minus 9x. That way you see what I mean?
Yeah.
You get it, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, now after this, what happens? This is a plus 4. There is no sign before this. There's a plus 4, right? Subtract 4 on both sides. So what happens? How do you subtract it? Minus 5 minus 24 by 6 minus 7x minus 7 by 6, right? So what happens here? Minus 29 minus 7x minus 7 equal to minus 29 minus 7x equal to minus 22, right? And then x will be equal to 22 by 7. Did you guys get it? 22 by 7 is correct.
Miss Priya, I don't understand what mistake I made.
Okay, I'll help you. Others who understood can log off. Others who really understood can log off. Next week,
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Miss Priya. Thank you.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.
Miss Priya.
Bye, guys. Sreshta, looks like you understood, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Bye.
Where is your question, Avyukt?
So after the equation, I got 24 minus 9x minus 3 plus 2x minus 10 equals negative 5.
Minus 9x. Please repeat, sorry.
Minus 3.
Why minus 3? It's a plus 3. That's what. See, the negative definitely goes into both.
Oh, it comes to negative 3. Okay.
Plus 3 plus 2x minus 10 divide by 6 will be equal to minus 5 by 6. Multiply by 6 on both sides, 6 will go. Correct?
Okay, yeah.
Find this 14 minus 4x equal to minus 5. Make sense?
Yeah. And then subtract 14 on both sides.
3. I forgot that 3. Do you?
Oh.
So that is what? 17, right?
Minus 10, 7.
Yes.
Okay.
So
And
what?
then
Minus 7x will be equal to minus 22. X will be equal to 22 by 7.
okay, I understand my mistake now.
Vikya, did you get it?
Yeah, so that's what I want to say. I'm sorry for not being able to answer the question earlier.
Capital done, that's all. Nothing else. You got it?
Yeah, sorry. I just, I wasn't thinking straight.
No problem. I want you to be fully attentive as well in class. Makes sense?
Got it. Bye. Have a nice day.
You too.